we're going to get the shovel today, which will be nice still.
We gotta go. The other thing is, we gotta go. Because you disconnect, we gotta go get you the rebreather. And then we gotta get zipline gun, and then we get shovel. Zipline gun is gonna be so much help though, building our base, because we can like zipline stuff across the lake, like logs and that.
You see, this guy he never shuts up, does he?
Shut the fuck up, Charlie, bruv.
All I hear is yeah, 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 yeah.
I will not take you to the rebreather cave, and you'll do it yourself.
See, you see, bro's crashing up.
I will go off right now.
That is every single episode. Bro's such a crash out.
By the way, I might have to like go AFK for like 2 seconds.
Yeah, bro's crash.
Because my Amazon man's coming around and he's delivering my new phone case and my iPhone 16. By the way, put your FOV up. It makes it so you can see a whole lot better. Oh, I forgot we did this. Oh shit. Base looking good. Base looking good.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Right. We need to go get you the rebreather.
You
I'm gonna get in the golf cart ready.
I've got to go get a thing that helps me breathe underwater, the fish.
Shut the fuck up. Can you load in? For fuck's sake.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Hey, if I drive on that, would it go flying? Wait, I need to test some stuff.
I'm gonna load in and see him fly in.
No, it doesn't.
No, I've turned around and seen him bum a rock.
I'm fucked in stone. No, man. I've just used the fucking hill. Give me a hill.
I ain't got. No. That's for what you did to me at the end of last episode. You got me.
Ked.
You owe me a hill now.
Fucking nah. I only have one hill, and I've just used it.
Oh, you're dead. Right, now we're even. Anyway, guys.
We're not, and I'm in a fucking cannibal camp. Help me. Oh, there's a man. Don't you fucking do that at me again, you dickhead. Kids.
Look at Pro crashing it.
No, he went at me. Like, who the fuck's he think he is? He went at me.
Freddy's being autistic.
Oh, he literally, I'm telling you now, he went at me with a fucking bone in his hand.
Yep.
He had a boner in his hand and went at me, bro.
Oh, I have a fish. I have a
Don't be a dickhead!
Do you hear this, bro? He's crashed out.
I haven't even got my fucking loot! Oh, that dickhead! Nah, you can't do that. I haven't got my backpack yet. I can't do nothing. Fuck off.
That was grim. I've ripped the head off of a fucker and eaten him.
Shut the fuck up, Charlie. I'm getting chased down by a fucking man with a boner in his head.
Is this guy? Is bro good?
No! Oh, he's left. Fucking hell.
Bet if I.
Right, we need to go get you the rebreather. Get ready,
Do
alright?
you think it's worth it?
What are you doing?
I don't think it is. How's my little my project's not working very well. Need to cut down the train.
Charlie.
See, this guy never shuts up. He's always Charlie this, Charlie that.
Get in the golf cart.
Bring the golf cart to me.
Oh my now, it's fucking. What is it doing? It's bumming a rock. There we go.
Wrong fucking.
Yep. Calvin, mate, why are you just sitting there watching? Help me.
As he realised.
Calvin really is no fucking help, is he? He gets us logs and that's all he does.
He's more help than you, mate.
I've done most of the shit here. You've built the base, that's it. No! Drive! I've got you the actual using right now.
I've built that, I've built that.
I'm done, man. We're about to walk there.
Luke, bro's such a crash out.
Fucking cold cart.
That's why I can never play with him. Oh, actually, a little fun. By the time this is posted, Our next episode that is going to be out is going to be a Rust episode that you lot can look forward to.
Again, if you don't get in yet, bruv, you know this episode's gonna be like fucking 3 hours long.
Oh yeah. You know what? Not this cunt. Not this cunt.
I get you to get in because it's rolling down the fucking
Last
hill.
night, yeah.
Calvin, what are you doing?
Till
What is Calvin doing, for fuck's sake?
I stayed up till 1:30 editing.
Go on, drive this gun, man.
Are you?
Oh, we move.
I built this bridge.
Yep, no, raccoon.
Nah, it's that raccoon and rabbit again.
Drinking so I can get more stamina to run.
I'm gone. How do I tell you?
Hope he knows where he's gone.
How do I tell you I fucked up?
I hope you've gone the wrong way already. You've gone the wrong way already. You've gone the wrong way already. Ah, you can go that way.
This is the way we went the first time.
Yeah, but that's just to get the taser. We're getting the rebreather.
Yeah, but taser.
I'm at the rebreather now.
Yeah, but I need taser.
Good luck down that cave, because I'm not there.
Well, you should be.
You fucked off in front.
Well, this cunt just got pre-fired. That was not the time strange microphone hanging from the ceiling. I'm hoping I've gone the right way. Oh, yep, here's the babies. Taser. I didn't grab the ammo for it, did I? Oh, skills. Don't even know where I'm going at this point.
I'm waiting for you to rebreather.
You see this guy? He's so lazy. He don't... Fuck, I've gone back the way I came.
Come on, I've jumped down to the rebreather. I can't come back to you now.
You see, this is always what he does. He always fucks off.
I did say follow. That's what you sound like. You're the only one moaning right now.
Shut the fuck up. Why didn't you? Skills. 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 Oh, mamma mia. Some excellent gameplay by me here. Look at this. Stepped away. If I die, Freddy's fault. How do I get to the rebreather?
When you first jump in the cave, follow the small stream all the way down.
Follow the what? All the way what?
The water, all the way down.
What's the
Don't
water?
turn right into the little cave you went.
Where's the water?
Well, you gotta come. You're running towards me, so you're going the right way.
Okay. He says that as he realises I'm actually disappearing. Should I smack him over the head with an axe?
Grab the rebreather.
Oh. Didn't even get a chance to loot. I ain't even got it on.
As soon as you grab it and jump in the water, it'll get put on. Didn't even distract the shark that time. Motherfucker just was bored and didn't come for us.
Motherfucker was that? Nah, I'm good. Oh, my mouse. You didn't see that. I hope I'm going the right way and I'm not going back to the cave. Fred. Oh, Fred, I've gone back to the cave.
Just the other way.
I don't think you understand the stress levels I just experienced.
Yeah, one problem. I kind of need you at the surface.
It's easier said than done.
It's night time out here and I'm scared.
Scared, yeah.
Scared.
Scared!
Oh, fucking hell, what's up with you? What happened, bro?
Oh, I was wondering why I didn't get flashbang.
Yeah, it's because it's fucking night time.
Well, that's scary.
Sleep and save. Because if you get disconnected again, I don't want to lose that. You're a cunt.
Alright, let me save. Let me sleep. Oh.
Fucking hell.
Ah.
Stick. Oh, yep, get in the car.
Dodged.
Oh, wait.
It's missed.
Fucking can't hit him. There we go.
I took his head off. What do you mean, there you go? You didn't do shit here.
I know, I ran over his dead body.
I'm a fish!
Right. The last 2 caves we got going are actually right next to our base.
And a mercer.
Wait, you could cut this bit out of the video. We could just get the zipline gun and then end the video there and get the shovel and shotgun next.
Yeah, sure.
Because we're going to be another, like, maybe hour or 2.
Sure, get the zip line.
Hit a tree yet. Okay, no, what is that? I'm stuck on one of the pick rocks that you can pick up. Didn't even know you could get stuck on them motherfuckers. Alright, let's go get this fucking zipline gun.
Let's go, boy. I'm gonna cut the journey there about.
Yeah. We just gotta switch golf carts because that one's about to die.
7 dwarves on my legs.
Okay, so that's not the way to go then, is it?
Yes. This gun has bone armor.
Wait, this cunt has donuts.
This gun has bone armor.
Oh. Oh, is it donuts?
Damn it! Oh, Scribble moved up. Oh. You heard it. You heard the impact. Oh.
And that motherfucker just did it for itself. It most definitely.
He's
what
alive.
Is it?
He ran off.
Is it?
Yeah. This is all getting cut out of the video, by the way.
Don't know.
Unless you hit a
Still haven't hit a tree yet. Come on then.
If you hit a tree, that's getting put in the video. Like, slow
No.
down. If you go in the water, Luke is gay. Crazy. Oh.
He didn't die.
No, but I am.
1 sec. It's dead.
So am I.
No, you're not. Seemed like a dream.
Sir.
What is it?
No, now I can only pick up. No! Thank you. Now I can actually get in.
Oh, squirrel. Oh, you lucky bastard.
You hear that?
A laminate tree. Oh. What in the fuck?
Nah, that's mad. You want... Alright. Do you want to hear this, right? Talking about your girlfriend in football terms, right? She signed, played, got injured, expected to be out for 9 months. That's mad.
What?
Right, explain your girlfriend in football terms, right? She signed, she played, she got injured, expected to be out for 9 months. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Damn, cut deep.
No, let's go get you a glider quickly as well. And then we can just fly down to the cave. It should just be up here. That's a cliff. Hey, crossing up. Up, 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 up.
Yeah, how's that working?
Oh, we're up, let's see, told you. See, I'm still in. Didn't push it at all. Not see nothing. Oh, still having it a tree.
Oh, nah, that's in the video. You see that? He's just hit a tree, everyone.
Now driving up a straight fucking mountain.
He hit a tree, you saw that. Anyway.
Later.
Hey! Oh.
Come over here. Grab the glider and let's fly away.
Oh, I can't. Freddy, help me. Freddy.
What? Nah, man. Run up here now. I'm gonna. Oh! Why did you?
You put me in the car and sent me over the edge. What do you mean?
I didn't, man. Oh, fuck's sake.
I was in the car as you drove off the edge. Why would you do
Have the
that?
glider and then come over to me. We're gonna fly down to the cave, which is literally below us, basically.
Where's the glider?
The edge of the cliff.
This.
No, you've walked past it. It's over there. Look on the map.
Why is there two?
Because I picked it up and it duplicated it.
Good boy.
Click G.
What did
Put it in your inventory so you can run over here. Because you won't be able to get over otherwise, because you're gonna get caught on trees, mate. Open your inventory in its top left corner.
No, it's not. I don't think I have it, I'll be real. Don't have it.
So you didn't click G then?
I did.
In its top left corner.
It's not.
I'm about to leave without you. Get the fucking ladder, come over.
If you do it, you're gay. And you wanna fuck Luke.
You don't have the glider on you, you're gay. But I'll get the glider out. Thank you.
How do I... Oh, that's a treat. Freddy, I forgot how much I hate gliding. Oh, Freddy.
Just glide. Literally, it's just down over by me.
Oh, I'm at our base.
Oh, come to me, I'm at the fucking cave.
I will, just be a good boy. Where's the cave? Just down, yeah? Freddy, help me.
You cunt.
I didn't, I fell.
You hit me.
Yeah, you got pre-fired as I was falling.
Right, we're actually going to have to fight in this cave.
Fine.
So...
Have I got a tool?
Heal up.
I don't have a tool.
Yes, you do.
I don't have any heals.
Here. Mate. Take one. heal up to full. This is my last one, so.
Oh, I got more tablets.
Let's go.
I can't.
Well, we can either run through this, like, or we can fight them.
I'm not full yet.
So do you want to run or fight?
I'm not full yet.
Yeah, no, I'm just asking you, do you want to run through them or fight them?
Fine.
Careful, there's loads. Behind you, behind you, behind you.
In a corner now, ain't you? Oh, second one. 3 of them. Behind.
Behind you. Remember, we have blocks. Remember, we can block. Remember, we can block.
I've been blocking.
Alright, come over here.
So that's that cool shit that allows me to make the base.
This is the corner with loot. This is the loot corner, mate. And we get the crucifix.
Yeah, I bet you do, good boy. Where is it? Oh, it's in my hand.
A note.
Yo! This is some bows. Took us ages to get to this cave, right? And now look. Oh!
Find it. Yep, bombs away, move.
Oh.
Going through. I'm having bacon tonight.
I'm just gonna ignore that he said that.
Careful, there's gonna be stuff in it. Motherfucker! Hit his knees!
Oh, he does a lot of damage.
Yeah, behind you, behind you. You've got to hit it because I can't. I'll hit you otherwise.
Been banged.
Here, come skin this, skin this, skin this. Get some armor. Skin it, skin it, skin it, skin it. Putting that on. Equip armor, yeah, boy. Oh, there's nothing. Thought that was something then.
We got them skills. Oh.
All twins. Legsy behind you, Legsy behind you.
Mummy.
I got twins. Twins dead, twins dead, twins dead. Nice, 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 he's knocked it down.
No, I didn't.
He's dead, nice. Babies, babies.
We traded.
Yeah, skin this, skin this, skin. Skin. In 3, 2, 1, go. Right, come here. See the twins? Skin that, skin it. Can't remember if you get 1 or 2 creepy armor from him. 1. Equip that all. Nice, some creepy armor, let's go. Fucking babies.
What do they do with backflips? Oh, let's go, let's go, let's do this, let's go. We can do it. Come on now, put your back and do it. Let's go, we can do it. We can do it. Let's go, team. Why is there seething dildos?
We'll just run through this bit. I remember this bit. There's so many monsters in this area.
Oh, well you could have said that, because I have no stamina. Legs. Babies. Dirt men.
Just run.
Oh, easy.
That's the best option for this area, is just to run.
I'm a runner. I'm a runner. Help. Hey.
Run past the babies.
It's not really an option, I have no stamina.
What's down here then? Nava.
Just some loot.
Testing, testing. How loud am I?
You're alright. Not too loud, not too quiet.
Very good, very nice.
Alright, just run away then.
I did.
We have to fight this thing, otherwise it's going to attack us when we grab the thingy.
I've already got
Come
it.
here and skin. Come here and skin this.
Yeah, on my way.
I'm in the wall. I can see out map. Do I hear another one? Yeah, I do. Yes, I do. Yep, fuck it, we're leaving. Oh, I got to wait for the animation. You're a cunt. You're a cunt, you know that. We're out, yes. Now we shall get back to base.
Let's go! Episode 3. Almost done.
Oh, you know, we're not that far from base.
Let us know, because I sped up the travel bit just because I didn't think you lot would want to see us sit in a car and drive around. But, yeah. And it also just helps.
Oh! What is he doing?
I don't fucking know, do I? If I knew, I would have said one day you'll smack our cunt.
You scared the shit out of me. Oh, you're just doing that. Oh, you're doing it the easy way. I'm just gonna...
You're doing it the easy way. Guys, what's the bet I can do it from here? Oh, what the fuck? Yeah.
Big trees, let's go.
Do this. This guy is so fucking... such a cunt. Oh. I may be able to jump off there and get some lift above the water.
They stole Valor meat.
Ready? Test.
Test what? I'm waiting for you back at base.
I'm going the complete wrong way right now.
What's Charlie POV? What is it? What are you doing, bro? I see your name tag flying round. Cunt, don't you fucking dare!
The skills through the trees. Look up.
Well, there he is.
Yeah? On your head.
Your fucking glider's running away. Anyway. Where are you going? Save points over here, mate. What the fuck?
Anyway. That will be it for episode 3 of Sons of the Forest. This cunt is still staring at me through that window like a nonce. Hope you
This episode,
enjoyed.
what, the next video is going to be Rust. Or, well,
Yeah,
by the time you see this video, Rust will already be up. But
no, he's technically wrong. By the time you see this video, Rust will be the video posted after this. Basically, by the time you see this, Rust would have already been recorded.
yeah, true.
So, you have that to look forward to. Hope you enjoyed, Black Men! And have a lovely time.
Stopped. Throw the logs down.